This is yet another escalator at Macy's, New York City. Huh. It's a wooden escalator, I think. Yet, I think this is my first wooden escalator. This is cool. This is a vintage escalator, I think. Alright. Going on yet another escalator at Macy's, New York City. This is another wooden escalator. I'm pretty sure it's still vintage. Alright. Alright. Here is yet another escalator. This store is very busy. Alright. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Alright, here's another escalator. Whoa. My feet were on two stairs. This is a wooden escalator. I mean, these are wooden escalators. Alright. Let's go on yet another escalator. Alright, that's it.